Hey y'all, we've been sold that the middle class dream was the goal. Having a steady job, a nice house, and a little bit of savings. But here's the truth. We're trading freedom for comfort. And ask yourself, is it worth it? Living paycheck to paycheck in the middle class, that's not freedom. It's a trap. Most people prefer security over growth. That's what we've been taught. But imagine breaking free from that. Imagine building wealth where your money isn't just enough, but it's more than enough. Where your time is yours. You're not tied to a clock, but you have true independence. And that starts with you shifting your mindset from settling for comfort and striving for freedom. The path is there, but you have to take the first step. The middle class mindset will not set you free. You have to change your perspective, ladies and gentlemen. So let's start building a life of wealth and a life of freedom today. Are you ready to change? See the link in my bio.